Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. P is rupees 10,800 time 3 years, rate of interest 12.5%. 2 into 12 is 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%. Compound interest formula A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. P is 10,800, 1 plus rate of interest 25 by 2 by 100 time 3 years and 10,800 1 plus 25 by 2 into 100. 10,800 1 plus 25 by 200 whole power 3, and here denominator will be 1 and 200 LCM we get 200. 10,800 225 by 200 whole power 3. 10,800 into 225 by 200 into 225 by 200 into 225 by 200. 0 0 cancelled, 2 ones, 254 times, 200 times, 227 times. This goes 20 times, 45 times, 4 times, 45 times, 2 40 times, 540 times, 545 times. 27 into 45 into 45 into 45 by 4 into 40, and this goes 8 times, 9 times. When we multiply, we get 243 into 2025 by 4 into 8 is 32. 243 into 2025 will be 492075 by 32. When we divide, we get in decimals, that is 15377.34. This will be the amount. Now let's find interest. A is equal to P plus I. A is 15377.34. Principal 10,800 plus I. I is equal to, when this goes to the right side, it becomes subtraction. 0.34 minus 10,800. Interest is equal to 4534577.34. So this will be the interest, that is compound interest, and this will be the amount. Rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Here principal is rupees 18,000 time 2.5 years, rate of interest 10%. Here time we can't take 2.5 years totally. Let's take 2 years, and one more half year let's take simple interest. Now Compound interest formula: A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 N whole power N. P is 18,000. 1 plus rate of interest 10%, that is 10 by 100, and time 2. Now 18,000, when we take LCM 1 and 100, we get 110 by 100 whole power 2. Now 18,000 into 110 by 100, double times, we multiply 2 times, 110 by 100. 0 0 cancel, here 1 0 and here 1 0, and we get 18 into 11 into 110, and we multiply totally, we get amount rupees 21,780. This is for only 2 years. We are also having another half year. For that, per half year simple interest, simple interest formula: P into T into R by 100. Here principal won't be 18,000. Principal will be 21,780 into time is half into rate of interest is 10% by 100. 21,780 into 1 into 10 by, this becomes multiplication, 2 into 100. 0 0 0 0, it get cancelled, and 2178 by 2, we get amount 1089. So now this will be for half year and this will be the 2 years. Totally, when we add total amount for 2.5 years is equal to 21,780 plus 1,089. We get rupees 22,869. So this will be the total amount after 2.5 years. Next one, rupees 62,500 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Here principal is rupees 62,500, time 1.5 year, and rate of interest 8%. Here 1 year means 2 half years, and we are also having one more half year. Totally we get 3 half years, and here rate of interest 8%. We have to divide it with 2 ones, 2 fours, that is 4% interest. Compound interest formula: A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. P is 62,500. 1 plus R 4 by 100 time 3. 62,500. Here when we take 1 and 100 LCM, we get 104 by 100 whole power 3. 62,500 into 104 by 100. Sorry, we can also cancel it to make it easy. 426 times for 25 times. So 26 by 25 into 26 by 25, 26 by 25, we multiplied it into 3 times. It is an easy way to do. And 5 5s 25, 5 12,500, and here 5 ones 5 2,500, 25 ones 25 hundreds, 25 ones 25 fours is 100, and totally we get 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. Totally when we multiply, we get amount rupees 70,304. So this will be the amount. And to find interest, A is equal to P plus I. A is 70,304. Principal is 62,500, and we don't know the interest. To find it, this goes to the right side and becomes subtraction, minus 62,500. So the interest here is 7,804. 7,804. So this is the interest and this is the amount.